Hello PNZ, good morning, long time no see. It's your boy Chronicles of HP coming back alive on this vote of no confidence issues. Yo, Papua New Guinea, we have been expecting to see people like Allan to be the alternate prime minister. So that's how time tok blow vote of no confidence will start na come. People of this country, mostly as a YouTuber, I've been receiving comments on my channels. People want Allan to be the alternate prime minister. So yo, time you may looking mo alternate prime minister, they gave it to Rainbow Paita. Yo, country lose interest Country lose interest lo support lo this la vote of no confidence things. Yo, plenty comments I've received from my channel. It's like people were hoping for Allan to be the alternate prime minister. Honestly, people got trust. People of this country have trust in Allan to be the alternate prime minister. So, no offense, but I'm just giving this update on our political issues in the country. So, if you have anything to say, as always, Chronicles of HP, feel free to drop it in the comment section. So, currently right now, people are still hoping and for September 3rd for the vote of no confidence and the parliament sitting to resume and the vote of no confidence to begin its process. People want to see Allan to be the alternate prime minister, not Rainbow Paita or James Nomane. No offense in calling these names, but this is what I, from my own survey, from my channels, I'm expressing this out to the country and my subscribers who have been following and watching, that the country wants to see Governor Allan to be the alternate prime minister. And no offense to our current prime minister, James Marape, and the government, but right now, this vote of no confidence saga that has been going, people really want to, for the alternate prime minister, people really want to see Allan to be the alternate prime minister of Papua New Guinea to come up during this vote of no confidence. So if from the surveys that I've been receiving from the comments on my channel, so yo, no offense, nothing too personal here, just a news update from Chronicles of HP, PNG political news update. See, so like, if the alternate prime minister is still Rainbow Paita coming up for the September parliament resumption, I don't think the country will support the idea of putting Rainbow Paita as the alternate prime minister. So it's better the opposition team, you guys fix yourself up, arrange your profiles or whatever there before the vote of no confidence, and you change yourself and put the alternate prime minister Allan to be the alternate prime minister of Papua New Guinea, and then you will see some changes there. Some good things will happen from my view as a YouTube creator, and from live surveys from people that I've been receiving comments about this vote of no confidence saga. So yo, to the opposition team, fix yourself there, talk to you guys yourself, and try to put Allan to be the alternate prime minister. Honestly, country ba support. Isa, I'm sorry man, I'm sorry one and something I'm sa talk na he knows what to do. Now like, honestly, no offense, but those young guys up there, I appreciate those big brothers coming up to be trying to talk for the rights of this country and whatever, but people know our confidence people look sim alternate prime minister of the country. So much better way on the big mangi out of people ogara on the big mangi we emba right lem Allan them start. So put Allan to be the alternate prime minister na looking reaction lo country. If I will say that if honestly guys, if you guys leave Rendu Paita los top yet as the alternate prime minister, honestly, this vote of no confidence thing will go in vain and nothing will happen. By Pairap nothing go, Namba go finish nothing. Put him something where people like him, leme, people but support. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Stay safe before September 3rd, the resumption of Parliament sitting. Thank you very much for watching. Much love and stay blessed. Kids!
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little brothers that will keep on hunting, taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. Inaka, amene, anene, amene. Waleo kutimbo kipindo, amene. That's what I say. What do I want pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams. Yeah. Oh, yeah.